I have found this keyboard. It's yellowed and it's all terrible, but it has this 80s style connector. Of course, this plugs into the vintage computers like this, but also it plugs into this auxiliary port on this retro radio right here. Find this really interesting. Some people like piecing all their keyboards, but I don't do that, so my keyboard looks perfect. But it's so old, it doesn't even have Windows keys, yet alone these extra keys up here. I wonder if this do anything on my vintage computers. This one has Windows 3.1 on it. That just won't work, but I will try it anyway. Wow. Windows 3 doesn't even know what suspending is, so let's not bother with that one. Let's just go for the shutdown. Nothing is happening. I'm not surprised this didn't work, because Windows 3 doesn't even care about safe shutdowns. In fact, it doesn't shut down at all, it just kinda exits the DOS. And you don't even have to do that, you can just turn off PC at any time you like. As long as there isn't disk activity, it should be fine. It does register as a button press though. If I press that, it cancels out the screensaver. Now here is the 82PS2 dongle, so if I wanted to have this ugly keyboard on my main computer rather than something like this, I can do that. Well, at least it works. But guess what? The wake up button doesn't. In fact, you can press anything else other than the wake button to wake up the computer, including these two buttons here. Maybe that's not the wake up button, maybe that's the secret turbo button for the shitty computers like this, so if you press this it will make it work faster. Hey you, wake up, render faster. I have something else. Of course there's an error on startup, it wouldn't be Windows 95 if there wasn't. Looking at the start menu, we have both suspend and shutdown, so this should work, right? Just press. Nope, nothing happens, none of these buttons work. But here is the real question, does the Windows 95 actually suspend or it just shuts off the screen? Let's find out. Oh man, it sure took a while to do this. I had to use 7 floppies, no joke, just to copy one MP3 over. But it's gonna be worth it, so now we can try it out. So yes, the suspend does actually suspend. And when they wake up, it resumes. As you would expect. This is doing as good job as it can. Now here is how to clean one of these keyboards. Well, it's working, I see much less dirty keys now. And if that's not adequate, we can use the good old knee. Yeah, like that. I see even less piston keys now. Or the chair. See? It's nearly clean now. Alright, so we have to stabilize the nuclear core now by shutting down the window safely. So these are the up keys. Oh yeah, now where's the enter? Oh, it's right here. Shut down the computer. It might be safe to turn off your computer, but is it safe to turn off the keyboard? See ya. This computer still has the turbo button, but just lolls at you. There is no turbo. Keyboard error or no keyboard present. Press F1 to continue. Okay, you want me to press any other button now?